Hi, if you want to subscribe to my channel, all you need to do is press the subscribe button. And if you want to get notifications about when my next video comes out, just press that little bell on the side of the subscribe button. And you'll be the very first person to get the notifications when my videos are out. Hello everybody. Well, now we're on the last and final step. It's dried. Looks great. In some areas I'm going to have to put some plaster on it. I'm going to have to make some. I bought a little package where it's to fill holes in the wall, but this works just as good. So you need to see where it needs. There's some cracks here and some cracks there. Some places I didn't really get to it. Now I need to fill these up and make it more finer. You don't have to do this part. You can just right away and paint it. But I want to make this perfect because it's a present. So I'm just going to make a very little bit. I think that should be enough. I don't want to make too much. If I need more, I'll make more. And all you need is some of this and then some water, and that's it. So I mixed some of these plaster, half water and half the powder. It looks something like this. It's perfect. Now I have a very small paintbrush, not very small, but a small size one. And you have to make sure there's no clumps in it. You don't want to have clumps. So what you do now is use your paintbrush, the small paintbrush, and cover the cracks, holes, like if you were to do that on a wall at your home. You do the same thing and smooth it out. I will go around with the brush, plain brush after that. Then it'll look even better. If you want, you can even use your finger. To make it sure that it's totally smooth out. Like this, see? Now the crack won't be there anymore. Areas that you missed out, make sure you fill it up. The holes or place I noticed there's some clay I didn't put on one area, very small area, so that's no problem. And if you want to smooth out some of these rough edges here, you can do this with this stuff too. It's just fine. So. Like I said, smooth it out, finger. walls with plaster or with hot glue, whatever you decided you wanted to use. Now it's time to paint. I'm going to paint mine all white. So what's so easy about this is you just pour the paint on top and go through it. You may need to go through it twice. If you want, you can use a primer first on it and then use I'm using normal acrylic paint. Put a nice even coat on it first. Let it dry. And then put a second coat. And then turn it over and do the back side. Once it's painted, it's all painted, it looks awesome. So now I finished this coat of paint. I will paint it twice, the whole thing. Paint it twice. First the front, wait till it dries, then do the back. And then we'll go to the next step. So the wings are finally done. Painted them twice on both sides. Put a little bow because it's a gift. I put a ribbon on. You can paint it any color you want. It doesn't have to be white. I painted them white. You could put a little silver on it or spray silver glitter all over it. You can do anything you want with it. But this is the final step, putting a ribbon on or hanging it up on the wall. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. And I hope that if you guys make any, please post them on the comment section. I would love to see the work that you do after you see my tutorial. And if you have any questions or comments, also please write below and please subscribe.